Howdy ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again with a quick tip on using galvanized or black pipe unions. This Teflon pipe sealant, you don't need it to seal the union, and the inside faces of it do that. But if you use this Teflon stuff to put a little bit on the threads, the union threads, just a little. Oops, there they are. Sorry about that. It helps. A lot of times unions don't get open for a long time. It helps prevent the unions from corroding together and then breaking them when you try to take them apart. Do what you can with what you have where you are. God bless you all. See you next time.